Hey guys, welcome back to my training. And with this video today, I want to introduce to you this new Forex broker website where you can place trade and your trade can either win or lose. So what you can see right now is the home page of the website, and it also have the user dashboard and the admin dashboard. So with this tutorial, I will show you how you can actually set up this kind of website for your clients or for yourself, and also show you the various features of the website and how the website works. So like I said before, this is the home page of the website, and as you can see, the details has been written and provided. All pictures too have been provided. So what I'll do now is I'll log into a demo account to show you how the dashboard looks like. This is the registration page where users can register and create an account, and this is the login page. I will use my demo logins now to get into the dashboard. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of the website, and it has multiple teams, the dark team and the light team. What you can see right now is the dark team. So I will switch up to the light team now. So you can see right now this is the light team. So I actually prefer the dark team. It's actually fine now, so I'll take it back to the dark team. So this is the dashboard, the first page of the user dashboard. You can see the statistics here, the capital, the accumulating balance is displaying to, which is the bonus, the trade status, number of trade won, number of trade loss, and the crypto plan too. Right now this user plan is the diamond plan, and you can see the profits here. It also have this trading view, so you can see the trading view here, and it also have this referral system too, so you can copy your referral link and give it to other persons to register. So when you want to place trade, you come to this new trade part. You select either a demo account or a real account. So if it's a real account, you select the real account you want to use, and if it's demo account you want to use, you select the demo account. Here you can choose the markets, you can choose cryptocurrency, stock or indices, and you can choose pairs too, list of various pairs. You can see the list of various pairs. So right now I'll choose USDT/BTC, and the time we have from 1 minute to 30 minutes. So you can choose from the time. Here you place the amount you want to use to trade. You can either sell or you can either buy. So when you come to markets, you have the list of cryptocurrencies. Look at them, list of cryptocurrency with their market cap, their price, the available coins, the total coins, and the traded traded volume. So you go down again, you can still see another trading view there. You can see how beautiful it is. So you come to deposits. When you want to fund your user account, so you go to deposits, to choose any of the assets, then they'll make payments. You put in the amount there in BTC. So if, for example, you put in 0.003, so you put Ethereum, same thing, or you select USDT, then you click on make payments. To transfer funds from one user account to another, you go to fund transfer, select either from your profits or from your bonus. So then you transfer the funds from to another user. To make withdrawal of your profits or any other of your wallets or any other account balance, either from the capital, the profit, or the bonus, you come to withdrawal, then select the balance type, input the assets which you want to withdraw, then you process withdrawal. When you go to history, this have the list of transactions which you have done, from the deposit transaction to the trade transaction to the withdrawal transaction. So all transactions will be listed here, and the KYC part is where the user has to verify his account by submitting some KYC documents. When you go to settings, this is where you can edit your basic info, your personal data. When you go to avatar, is where you can upload your profile pictures. When you go to security, you can change your password here. And for account info, you can put in your account number, account name, the bank name, your SWIFT code, the Bitcoin address, Ethereum address, your Cash App tag, and the paper email. So this is actually used for withdrawal. So what I'll do right now is I'll teach you how you can set up this kind of websites and perform each actions to show you how the features work. Then I also introduce you to the admin side. So to set up this kind of websites, you need a domain name and you need hosting too. So to get a domain name, you can go to native.com. So you go to native.com, you will create an account if you haven't created an account, or you can go to sign in to log in into your own account. So I will check for a domain name now. You can see register a domain name to start. So I'll say remarkettrade.com. Just for example, I'll search now. It's coming up. It's taking time. You have to reload. So you can see right now it's available. I will click on add to cart. Then I will go to web hosting. You can see it now, web hosting. You can see it's web hosting. I will add to cart too. So then next thing I'll do is I'll go to view items. You can see on my cart I'm having my domain name, I'm having the hosting tool, which is the Stellar. I will click on checkout. So the total amount of money I'll pay is $32.64 to get the domain name and to get the hosting. So then you click on confirm order to make payments, and after you make payments, your domain name details will be sent to your mail, and your cPanel details for the hosting will be sent to your mail. So right now I have my cPanel details already. I will log into my cPanel now. So you can see now the next thing I'll go into is I'll go into file manager. So you can actually install yours inside the public_HTML, or you can use the folder. So I will definitely use a folder. So I want to use the folder now. I will create a market folder. So I'll go into the folder which I just created now. Here's the folder. Okay, now this is the folder which I just created. I'll click on upload. I'll select file, and I'll select the database, the script file. Right now you can see it's uploading. So by the time it's finished uploading, you will see the file inside. So all you have to do now is you right click you see extract, you click on extract, you extract the files. So I just finished extracting the files now. I will reload. I'll go into the folder, I will select all, then I'll move and place it inside the folder which I created. So yours can be the public_HTML. So the next thing I'll do now is I'll go to my home page of my cPanel. I'll go to my SQL database wizard. So you can see my SQL database wizard. I'll click on it. I will create a database. I'll call it remarketdb. Click on next step. So I'll copy this database now. I'll select it. So I will open Notepad. I'll save it here. So I'll create a remarket user. Then I will generate a password. So I'll copy this password now. I'll tick this, and I will use password. Then create user. I'll go back to my Notepad. I'll save the password there. I'll copy the username which was created, and I will save the username there too. Then I'll come back and click and tick all privileges, then make changes. So that is it now. I'll go back to my file manager now. I will go into trade folder, go into database folder, and edit connect.php folder. So I'll copy this username, the username which I created. I'll copy it, I'll place it here. Don't touch this localhost. On the second one, paste it there. I'll copy the password. So place it here. Copy the username, the database. I'll place it here. Then I will save changes. Next thing I'll do is I will go back to my home page or the cPanel. I'll go down to PHP my admin. So as then I will select the database which I created. You can see right now this is the remarket DB I created. I'll go back to File Manager, into the script folder. You see this SQL folder, so go into it and download this database.sql. Then I'll go back to my PHP my admin. I'll click on import. I will select browse and I will select this, click import. As you can see, just finished imported. Now I will click on the database. So what I'll do now is I will load my website. So I'll go into my link and load the website. So it's loading. Wow, I can see right now website just finished loading now. So I can see we're on track. Everything we are actually doing, we are progressing. So I'll go to login now. First thing I'll do is I'll log into the admin dashboard. So to get the admin details, you go into PHP my admin, go to settings. You see this first row here, first row, so that is the admin login. So I'll copy the email address, I'll come here, paste it here, see the password, copy the password, then I'll paste it in password and click on login. So I'm going to admin, you can see right now admin folder. So this is the admin dashboard as a user, and this is the you click admin folder to go into admin folder. So this is the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard now. So I'll go to website settings. So I'll put the name market trade. So if for email, you go to your home page in the cPanel and go to email accounts. So I'll create a new webmail now. I'll select the domain name which I want to use. This is the domain name I'm using. So say market. Put in a password. So I'll create. So I'll copy the email I just created, paste it here. So my website URL is this. So for admin email too, so if you have an admin email, you put it there. So if you don't have anyone, you can just use the webmail too. So you can see this now. Then I don't have a logo yet. So by the time you have a logo, we come here to edit, to select the logo and upload. For the Bitcoin QR code, for your Bitcoin QR code, you also select and upload. Ethereum QR code, you select and upload. Same goes for the USDT. So when you have a website logo, you also select and upload. Then you click on update. You get this file extension name is not supported. That's because we did not select any file to upload. So you click on OK. You see it again. You click on OK. You click on OK again. You click on OK. You can see website details successfully updated. So click on what? Okay. You can see all our details what has changed. So what I'll do now is I'll open the link again. I want to create an account now. I'll go to start trading. So now I'll create an account now. I'll say full name is what? David. My username will be Bright. Email address will be phone number, and for country select this. Account type, I'll select silver, and I'll put in my password. I'll click this to accept terms and conditions, and I will what? Register. You can see registration was successful. Please check your email and verify your account. So verify your what email address, and a verification link has been sent to my mail. Please check the button. Please click on the button in the message to confirm your email verification code. So I'll go to my mail now. So I've actually verified my account and I want to log in now. So I'll log in into my account. I'll click on login. So you can see right now I've logged in into my account. So I don't have any funds here, and what I can't actually trade now. So let me try and trade with this demo account. So I'll use the demo account to trade. I'll select this, put in 1 minute. So I put in 100. Then I will what? Click on buy. So you can see trade what? 1. So you can see now. So what I'll do now is I'll go to deposits. I'll click on the Bitcoin. I'll say 0.003 to make payments. So you can see now your order number is this and has been placed successfully. Please send 0.003 BTC, which is what? It's 9 USD, to the wallet below. The balance will appear in your account only after transaction gets confirmed by our team. So you can see right now, I'll copy the wallet address now to make payments. After making payments, I'll click on confirmed. Then, so by the time I go back to the admin side, so this is the admin dashboard now. I'll go to approve deposits. So I'll log into admin again. Copy the admin details. So this is the admin dashboard now. I'll go to approve deposits. Okay, I'll click on admin dashboard. I'll go to approve deposit. You can see the deposit now. You can see now. You can see it. So I'll click on what? Approve. Transaction status approved. I'll click on OK. I'll go back to my dashboard. You can see my capital is what? It's 9. So you can see it now. So what I'll do is I'll use my real account to what? Trade now. I'll select stock. Under stock, I'll choose Facebook INC. Select 1 minute. I'll use 20 USD. Okay, minimum is 100. Trade loss. Okay. So the minimum amount of trade can be done is what? 100 what? USD. And I don't have up to what? 100 USD. So I will show you. I will go to the admin now to fund the account. So you can see fund account. I will select the particular user. So the user I want to fund this account is what? By David. I'll select this account now. So the new balance will be, I'll put in 200. That's in USD. So the new balance in Ethereum will be 0.0500. So I'll fund. So I said okay. balance updated successfully. I'll come back to my dashboard now. So you can see now 200. So I can trade 100 now. One what? 100. As the trade request was successful. You can see the balance was deducted from my account. So you can see that now. So I'll go to the admin side. You can see trade count. As you can see. So I'll select the user. Trade 1. I'm putting 1. Trade loss 0. Trade status will be what? 1. So the transaction ID, this transaction ID here, you copy it, put it there, and you update. You can see trade count updated successfully. When I go to the user side, I reload. You can see that right now. You can see it now. Trade 1, trade loss 0. So that is for the trading. So we've done the deposit now. I'll go to fund transfer now. So I want to transfer from my bonus. I'll transfer $20. So yeah, transfer now. So insufficient what funds. Okay. So I'll go to withdraw now. I want to withdraw from my capital balance. I will select Bitcoin. But before I make any withdrawal, I will go to, see, you can see this notice here, complete your what account info. So I'll click on it. I'll put in my account number, put in account name as put a bank of say Trust Bank PLC. Put in SWIFT code. So Bitcoin, for Bitcoin address, I'll put in this address. For Ethereum address, I'll put in Ethereum address. See. Paper email. See. So these are just dummy details for this tutorial. Cash out tab can be right. Then we update. See, profile details updated successfully. Then I'll go back to withdraw now. I'll select from capital balance. Ethereum. So I want to withdraw what? 50. So process withdraw now. So now you can see to get the withdrawal pin, you go to admin side. Go to admin side. You go to website settings. So you can see withdrawal pin. So withdrawal pin is 1, 2, 3. I'll copy it. I'll place it here. You click on what? Submit. So you can see minimum withdrawal is what? 1000 USD. So I'll go to the admin side. I want to fund this account now, or fund profits. I'll select person's. So I'll fund person 50,000. For me, it's 60,000 I'll fund. So you go to the user dashboard. So you can see it now. You can see them. So I'll go to withdraw again. I will click on bonus, select Bitcoin. Put in 500 or put in 1000. Click process. Then I'll put in the withdrawal pin, which is 123. I'll click submit. You can see your withdrawal of 1000 USD is being processed. You'll be notified. You can see that now. So this is the history. You can see it now. This is the history I told you about, which comprises of the trade history, the deposit history, and the withdrawal history. So by the time you go to packages now, you can choose any of what the packages here. So right now I'm on this silver package and I want to go to this gold package. You see choose plan. I see, do you wish to continue? I see insufficient what fund to get this plan. So to be able to get this plan, I'll make sure that my capital is up to that the plan what amount. So right now I'll go and fund this user account again. So select the user, submit. So I just funded the user account again. I will reload. So you can see the capital has been increased. So I'll go to packages now. So I'll select this plan again. So you can see plan purchased successfully. So I'm going to go to my dashboard now and see the gold plan has been purchased. The gold plan has been purchased. So by the time I go to KYC, this way I'll be able to submit all KYC documents, and I click on get started. So I'll select first name, I'll select last name, email address, the gender male, country code, I'll just select any country, select any. So the phone number, year of birth, I'll put in 1990, month of birth, I'll put in 12. So continue. KYC form uploaded successfully. So begin your ID verification. So you can see now put in the address, apartment number 3, city Manchester. See. So these are just dummy data. So I'll choose photos now. Select this. Obviously select the driver's license. In the front of the document, I will choose and select an image. Do I have an image? So I'll get a man image. Okay, not necessarily a man image. Let me say driver's license front image. So copy this, select that. Now I will download this image now. Just download this image and say front. So I'll go back to my dashboard now. Then I'll get a driver's license back image. So just download this. Call it back. Then upload. So you can see your details have been uploaded successfully. Thank you. When I go to settings, this is where, okay, I talked about this. This is where I change my basic info. Then I'll click on what updates. So these are the features of the user dashboard. So when I come back to the admin dashboard, so So I come to KYC. So you see the KYC document that was uploaded by the users. So you can see preview to preview all the details submitted. So this is the front image, this is the back image. So I'll go back now and see the list of the documents. So, and on this user dashboard you can actually create what NFTs. So you put in the NFT name, put in the Ethereum amount, and the what NFT image too. You type in the what the description. When you go to NFT collectibles, you see the various NFTs which have been created. You can edit them. You can see now, and you can click on this delete to what delete the NFTs which you have created. So when you go to approve packages, this is where you approve packages for each user that the bought. So remember the package which Brad David bought. So I will click on approve now to approve the package. You can see package status what approved. And you go to packages panel. This way you see all the packages. So you can edit any of them here, and you can what delete them too, and you can add a new what package. So click on, you put the package name. You can say the platinum. The minimum of the package is what 100, and the maximum is 1000. You can put the interest at maybe 5%. The what you add. See, as you can see, package added what successfully. By the time you come to the list of packages, you see the package which you have created, and to delete a package you click on what delete. You can see package deleted successfully. So remember when the user deposited, you can see this is where you approve all the deposits. So you can see this pending one now. You can click on what approve to approve that deposit. See there. To add profit to a user, this way you add the profit. So I'll click on the select the particular user. You can see profit amount daily. I'll put in 100. So is it increase or decrease? And the starting points you can see 25th. So you put in the ending points, then you activate. See profit status what is what active. So you can see that now. When you go to deposit history, it shows all the deposits of the user. So you can see now this one is success, which means we have approved it already. For withdrawal history, you see all the withdrawal the user has placed. So any pending one you what approve. When you go to send mail, you can send a user a mail. So you click on the user, you put in the mail, you type in the mail message, then you want to click on send. So you send dormant account notice. So if maybe someone account has been dormant, or the person does not have any transaction on the account, so you send the dormant account a mail here. And when you go to account status, you can change the account status of any user. So all you have to do is select the user account, then you can put the account on active, suspended. You can make the account to contact support, tell the account to contact support, tell the account to submit tax payment proof. So trading and loss insurance fee required. You can put the account to be inactive, or tell the account that an upgrade is what is needed. So for profit history, this is where you add a profit history to a user account. So you can suspend and activate an account. So select the user account. Either you activate the account or you suspend the account. So these are the features of the admin dashboard, and that is the features of I also showed you the features of the user dashboard. So if you are interested in this website and you want to set up this kind of website for your clients, all you have to do is get this script, and to get the script, contact me through my contact details, which is on the video description. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.